Hello students, today we are going to study the distillation of the sanitizer. As you know, the sanitizers are used to have alcoholic content in it. So now we are going to see whether the sanitizers are really having the alcoholic content or not. So we will study it with the help of the distillation. So how we can study it with the help of the distillation? So first of all, this is the distillation set, and in this distillation set I have kept here over this sanitizer, which is supposed to be the alcoholic sanitizer. And I have put here condenser, this pipe, the vapors will go into this pipe, and this condenser is having the water supply is there, and it will going to condense this water. It will going to condense the vapors which are coming out, and it will collect it over here. So whenever the vapors are coming out or boiling of this liquid will take place, I will note down the temperature here from the thermometer, and I will see that whether the temperature, what is the boiling point. So at that point, at the boiling point, I will note down whether the boiling point is 78.37 or it is the 82.6. So if the sanitizer is containing ethanol, then the boiling point will be 78.37. And if the sanitizer is containing the isopropanol, then the boiling point will be 82.6 degrees Celsius. So students, we will start now. So I will put this burner below this, and I will heat it. As I am going to heat this, I will. So what will happen? The vapors will come out. Vapors will come out from this tube, and we are going to see that what is the boiling point of this alcoholic content. So from the boiling point, we will come to know, whether what is the content, whether it is ethanol, the alcohol, ethanol, or it is the isopropanol. So from the boiling point difference, we will come to know. Now see the structure of the ethanol is C2H5OH, and here the isopropanol structure is CHOH, So what exactly the alcoholic content is present, whether it is ethanol or it is isopropanol. So we will study it from the boiling point. So now the water is coming here, vapors are coming out from this tube, and the cooling is going to take place from this condenser, and the process is going on. See the vapors are being collected inside the conical flask, and slowly the boiling will take place. As soon as the boiling will take place, we will note down the boiling point and the temperature of that alcohol, and from that we will come to know what is the boiling point of that alcohol. So this process is going on, and the vapors are coming out from the conical flask, and the condensation of the vapors are taking place. So we will see here also whether the liquid is coming out or not, drop wise. So whatever vapors are coming out, that is going to condense in this condenser, and that is going to form the liquid. Now see the boiling is taking place. The bubbles are coming out, and I will note down the temperature. It is 80 degrees. And this, so from this we can see that the boiling point is 82 degrees, is 82 degrees, 82.6 degrees. So from this we know that the whatever alcohol which is present here, that is going to be isopropanol, and its boiling point is 82.6 degrees. So see, the boiling is taking place and the temperature here is 82.6 degrees, and from that we can know that the alcohol which is present in the sanitizer, see that here also the liquid is coming out. We started it, the liquid is coming out, and this is a pure isopropanol, and from that from this experiment we can know that we conclude that the given sanitizer, alcoholic sanitizer is containing isopropanol. See here, the pure isopropanol is coming out from here, and it is collected over this point due to the condensation of the vapors. Now the color which is present here in the sanitizer is added, it is added color, it is not the original color. So isopropanol, the pure isopropanol is this, which is transparent liquid, and which is a volatile liquid, and it is a isopropanol, it is a pure isopropanol which is coming over here, which is collected over here, and its boiling point, the isopropanol boiling point is 82.6 degrees Celsius, and its structure is CH3, CHOS, CH3. So see how the boiling is taking place, and the same temperature is there, 82.6 degrees Celsius, and here over here you can see that the isopropanol is collected at the other point. So we will continue this experiment up to we will get the whole isopropanol out. Isopropanol, this is the isopropanol which is present inside the alcoholic sanitizer. So from this experiment we conclude that we know that the alcoholic sanitizer is containing isopropanol, and it is having the added color. Color is not the original color, it is the added color in the sanitizer. Also it may contain the some kind of the sanitizers also, some kind of the added flavors, or some kind of the added colors, or some kind of the sanitizer may also present in it. So we'll see with the help of the boiling whether it may contain the another things or other things also. So from the boiling point we will know whether the substance, whether this sanitizer is containing other substances also. See, the boiling point is not going above. It is remaining at 82 degrees, 83 degrees. Now it is going to increase, and thus we are getting the fractions of the isopropanol at this round bottom flask. At the end of the condenser, we are getting the pure fraction of the isopropanol, and now also we are getting boiling this. Now this is the another fraction, I think. Now the same thing, boiling, and we are getting because why it is the same thing? Because the boiling point is remaining at the same temperature, and the liquid is boiling, and because of that we can predict that the same alcohol is present here, that is isopropanol. So there is no different alcohols or another alcohol is present. The same kind of alcohol is present in this alcohol. So we should have to know that whether the sanitizer is containing containing a mixture of the alcohol or not. But what we can predict from this experiment is that it is containing only one kind of alcohol. And it is not a mixture of the alcohols, but it is containing only one kind of alcohol, that is isopropanol, because the boiling temperature is at only 82.6 degrees Celsius. So here we'll see that whether it is going to rise or not. See, the bubbles are there inside the flask. Bubbles are there, and now the bubbles are decreased. Why it is decreased? Because the whole amount of the isopropanol is removed out. Now there is different kind of liquid is present here. There is different kind of liquid is present here that is remain behind. I think it may contain a color substance, colored dye. It may contain a colored dye which is remains behind, and so from this experiment what we can say that the colored dye is mixed up along with the isopropanol, and that is called as a alcoholic sanitizer. So this is a sanitizer along with the dye. Some kind of sanitizing material will be there, soap or colored substance may be there here, and it is mixed up with the isopropyl alcohol or isopropanol, and the mixture of these two things that is going to form the alcoholic sanitizer. Okay, thank you very much.